No pay and chatty funina na ye mama kwaba a higher Sompa 106.1 FM. Raso say a good moon sem day to the tip of sports no metina say nan seminal machine in guho edema medin and my G Shannon said Jumadi and I'm Facebook now Facebook no a Sompa 106.1 FM Techiman. Sompa 106.1 FM Techiman na YouTube Sompa FM live okwa o like ya no comment no share na bibia tumi aye kama we say Ghana Football Association ade omo the date aye dey be the next season league no omo dey aba 2026-2027 Premier League no ho nsem e wo fidama na bibehwe ni nyina gu ho ade ama na ye ko PM e wa ma no ne a ho na Chelsea the Blues or my record signing na just sika o me dey akofa player na nye sika ketwa kra nti na ho nsem e wo fidama na me ba behwe gu amatiefo nyina nso ahudie ko e wo Chelsea the Blues akate na ye be PM e wo Ghana Premier League ni mu am teams bebre na air signings not just a transfers no air coso e bi sin sign players e bi so sin sign coaches and also ebebo amomode mo no etimi akonkan e wo league no na no pai ye dan che e dem atiefo nyina nti jebre na kame ho na ye mfansem ni nyina nguo na bibia ntimi nya kama ye nhase na ye shase wa fisem ni ma we say Ghana Football Association e ade a 2026-2027 Premier League no e ade a honsem e wo firiama na omo the data e dey be ball league na ba we say last season ye ball league no e ya Mediema SC e dey team J League na no so achi no 11 Wonders equal relegation afei no Hoho United omo pull out and Nations FC and so etimi call relegation na new teams e qualify no ye wo D Baby United omo no etimi qualify ba omo ba be ball league ni bia other two teams can be no and a Ghana Premier League no teams are ebebo afi no e honsem e wo fidem hamede babe tuja na wonso wahu teams are fi omo babe si akan in the Ghana Premier League afi na ye sase dia we say Mediema e defending champions omo no e babe ball league ni bia face no ye wo Kumasi Asante Kotoko omo e bobi Accra House of Folk and so e si akan e wo Ghana Premier League no mu bi ye wo FC Samatex afi Aduana Stars and so e bobi baby any Gold Stars and so e be ball league ni bia Brekum Chelsea and so afi omo ba be ball league ni be Dreams FC e wo hobi your Young Apostles FC Bechem United and so e be bobi and so dey free ho ba Karela United and so e be ball league ni be afi Basake Holy Stars and so e ba be ball league ni be afi na Hearts of Lions omo so no aye crowd aye poised omo e ba be see akan ni be na Swedro All Blacks omo so no e be see akan ni be in the Ghana Premier League afi Vision FC omo so abo omo ba be see akan ni be na we say teams miensa ultimate qualify from Division 1 omo Bobby no yo Port City FC omo no e qualify zone 3 afenso no Asante Gold and so no e qualify e zone 2 a D Baby United and so no e zone 1 omo no e team qualify free no na GFA dia ba omo kire mu a league no afi se be shasia the first match day no e September 4th until on the 4th of September you be the first match day na match day 1 e Ghana Premier League no be to aso a akosi September 7th I know any Monday 1 honsema made that trade at the MTF na Monday 2 no ebe start September 11th so dia copy September 14th 2026 yeah e di sapepepe na GFA dia ba na last Monday no e dey chato e dey be 2026-2027 Premier League no league ne be end in the month of May now just May 28th to May 31st 2027 eno na GFA dia ba ye dan chain na no pay e dia ma tiefo nyina e wo tip of sports on Sompa 106.1 FM na ye to aso da wonim said D Baby United afi omo e zone 1 champions omo qualify be Ghana Premier League ni mu bi na no e no ma start strength omo squad ne sabe omo ba omo modern mono e betimi akonkan na D Baby assign ya Branton di ade Patrick Amate wonim said Patrick Amate e left back na Osina kan e de ma Hoho United na afi Techiman no Hoho United omo no ultimate mo league na nyomo pull out ne Santino the baby for Chima Branton ba obeboa mo modern mo na timi akonkan no so any the free the baby akache ba na no pa emihwe agu edema tiefo e wo dwumade so na ye to aso dia wonim say FC Samatex omo so no e ball league ni bi na no e na man forcing sign players no mo chema omo ebe hia new coach ono so beboa awon mo de monetimi akonkan na no e no ma papa ni din e de Nana Kwaku Agyeman enti Nana Kwaku Agyeman FC Samatex apa papa yi se omra no be di ni djuma as head coach and from mo se be omo de mo afi e wo league no no betimi akonkan mo so no etimi adi league ni de asi omo na so ama bibia timi aye kama na wonim say in the year 2023 Duma Suan Koso Hene Nana Ayebia for Gianna. Na papa yi wodim say oye astrologist ono nso no osa eye numerologist. No na 2023 oba abonte be cars afi World Cup ye bebo yi ade Argentina, Spain and France and be the finalists. Na finals no be Argentina ni Spain. Ye monwie no na Spain atimi ana Argentina atimi ahye Spain. Nana Gianna ka sansem no ebe musa na mamusa yenkoni yenkotie 2023 asema Nana Gianna edituja.
Now no footballers muntie me ba mo apo. I'm about the World Cup. Why?
Sompa FM.
Argentina, Spain, and France will be the finalists in the FIFA World Cup in 2026. Finals will be between Spain and Argentina will win. What here? And you mean American stars in Argentina, Spain, and France will be the finalists in the FIFA World Cup in 2026. Finals will be between Spain and Argentina will win. Now, the footballers in Muntie,
Eti Nana Ayebia for Gianna in the year 2023 and some of the two concerning the World Cup. No, now with him say I can't see any barrier, you know. England, France, China, 6, team 4. Now finals in Argentina and Spain and a core send your kind and then a barrier, you know. Now Spain Argentina Kaba Comontimiante. Nana Ababonte na Nana Ababitrem Dientia Kobanis and Nana Chema stars ready in Chantro Nemum so you're reading a told out Minyani Mabakubia as a Wunyani. Eno eka hobi na anko banes anemum ni okai no about 95% gina abam yenkoti na nansem ode bae after say results no anko se ni okai no
ya bizafo mpamacho mecheche mu nyina na na ebia fo gina ni anopa wi anwumre me ba mo nche anye bone so mo hwe ya 3 years ago 3rd January so they every year no may forecast reading for the whole world no. And ekobamu prediction me buy for 2026 World Cup ebebo. And as usual no every year sana ya me no enye only 2023 nko every year. Na stars no I can say Spain, Argentina, France. I'm gonna be the finalist. Na Spain, any Argentina, and a back of finals. Na Spain, na Argentina, Spain. Na France at third. This is what happened. We can want them 2023. We can want them 2024. We can want them 2025. And then if January 2026 is so, may me forecast reading for the year no, and so me can want them. Now it's very unfortunate to say Enra I boy wake up in the year no said the stars in the car no I me can once no I'm massa, which is very disappointing. And to be honest with you, no me ankasa as an individual I don't know why it did not happen. Because we will be a wedding chepe per year. This is something I have been doing for years. And believe me, God, these are very real things that you can't see. But I make a very disappointing. Say Uncle said you see, you know. But then you know, Musha, your bobo no best 104, 103 or so. Now, said you make kind right from the beginning, you know, be see ya be do say truly the same.
Enti Nana Ayebia for Gianna Chirema or you're very disappointed na nanke was says a course in your canon and answer one cobanisa. Enti Nana Chirema Nature said the free wa Eban no na me koso aka was a Jumadi live on Facebook Sompa 106.1 FM Techiman. Sompa 106.1 FM Techiman na YouTube no Sompa FM live. Sompa FM live. Okwa no waja comment na wa like ya share. Follow your page and not subscribe to YouTube no ma na bibia entumi enye kama wouldn't say baby any goal stars omonso afi omo ba be see akan e wo Ghana Premier League no no e na omonso na papa ne di e de Petros Kukuras ono e ba be head coach e de ma baby any goal stars na sa papa yi we experience e kra no teams a wa coach e miamia wa ko ni experience o de bana baby any Gold Stars esusu says papa iba ne modern mono ebe boa mo matimi age Ghana Premier League no de asi omanize wouldn't say in the year 2019-2020 papa ekodi ni jima as assistant coach edema South Sudan then what in the year 2018 to 2019 and after 2021 no papa ekoye manager edema Pacific Heroes now in the year 2021-2022 no okopiem ewo Uganda Premier League num na eho okaye head coach edema SC Villa now in the year 2023 na papa coach edema Kiyovu Sports na chese de free hwa eba no eho Rwanda na papa to aso a ekopiem ewo Mukura Victory Sports in the year 2025 papa we experience a crown not just a modern model bar baby any Gold Stars ejidi se papa iba the modern money be boa amanches or modern money etimi akonkan na bibia so etimi ayekama ye na ho na ye nkwama no ne amano ne nsam ne doors pa na ansa ne ye be kono me Facebook no Sompa 106.1 FM Techiman YouTube Sompa FM live ye nkomra sisi Emra Tip of Sports Sompa 106.1 FM Techiman na ye borum manone a wouldn't say World Cup ne berry na manfo bebre ene din komo efa Ballon d'Or ne ho na before the World Cup na dodo na tipi Ousmane Dembele so betimi age e de sini na so na no ena Lamine Yamal Kylian Mbappe o munyina Harry Kane munyina na omo ye eligible na potential candidates so betimi age na after World Cup no niam bebre esesa na wouldn't say afia bebo World Cup no woji World Cup etimi boa o e ma age Ballon d'Or ni si na so na no ena Ballon d'Or official account ababonte na wo mu chirem asa wo hwe ne cup na it doesn't mean say no betimi am waje Ballon d'Or no da bi so betimi age Ballon d'Or anya World Cup na be ne nko anemum e wo so betimi the best player throughout the season until league out boy Champions League out boy na it is a competitions out boy the entire season ni nyina no e ade a wotimi agisi una so na bo homode a wo betimi awe ne Ballon d'Or nti the Ballon d'Or hrem a winning the World Cup alone doesn't guarantee a Ballon d'Or nemum you need to be the best player the entire season and no and the free Ballon d'Or say ya ye dan channel no pay e dey man tie for na ye toaso a Chelsea the Blues Asia kan ewo the English Premier League no no and a ban signing spa at Chelsea womunim ye papa wom tisika e dey akosan Abrante and the Morgan Rogers from Aston Villa now when him say sika PM no £117 million now just in the history of Chelsea Football Club no a BNC that not just a way a record signing £117 million now you PM our English Premier League no player ba kope and an board den Morgan Rogers I know Alexander Isak in the history of Chelsea Football Club Morgan Rogers a player chess and ball depa now you jina so now you the top 5 most expensive transfers PM our football history now chess Mranti ayato musika chess ne board den pa we riase no ye ba be bobo enum e de acho na bibia so no etimi aye kama number 5 no Abrante and the Morgan Rogers a wako PM with Chelsea from Aston Villa ni sika no 138 million euros ono eda number 5 number 4 no Abrante and the Alexander Isak ono 145 million euros now number 3 Ousmane Dembele o free Borussia Dortmund ebe PM FC Barcelona no sika no 148 million euros now number 2 we say Kylian Mbappe every Monaco no be PM team and the Paris Saint-Germain ho sikano 180 million euros now wouldn't say Neymar Jr. PSG Edisika kofanu free FC Barca na sika PM no 222 million euros where ended the most expensive transfers in history. Number 5 Morgan Rogers, number 4 Abrante and the Alexander Isak, number 3 no Abrante and the Ousmane Dembele, number 2 Kylian Mbappe and number 1 no Abrante and the Neymar Jr. where and some free Chelsea I swear yeah banana pay yeah that trade Eddie for Yeah, it was with the winning Marco Kurela before the World Cup. Okoshe Bobby was since Spain. Et me cornier World Cup this year now. Or better two or more called Luis de la Fuente Agune home. I don't switch in a yard or retire from national team and international football. Now after the game near Bisa and say Kuku about the same crown of Spain Timothy I can see one of us now Kuku Chirema or Momode Mo or Mobo Mohammed Pai Kahubi and Omutimiji see Omanas and Kukurela Yanko Tienemra. Improve omomode mono cause wa konkan collective work teamwork omobo omomode ye kan hobi and omotimije World Cup no see omona so Marco Kurela and some of the two dano no now with him say can see the barrier na branch and the Rodrigo Cascante osina kan de Manchester City ono otimije golden ball na best player no esi ni na so na no na Marco Kurela chema one of the important players that was playing team numero Rodri na say pressure ba omo so no mo chomani e de ahwe Rodri obe kan me pressure no say game no omo ebe control game na Ejina Rodri so no eno decided send a game nebeko abasobo ena Marco Kurela e de koma Rodri.
For us, it's very important. I think sometimes it's not about just scoring or assisting. I think he controls everything. He organizes.
Marco Kurela and Semini be the two down and say he's very important. He decides everything in the game. Not just a send a game never corner. Rodri and decided the pace of the game. And they must pay team. Now with him say World Cup be a barrier ye Jinaso natural Amaya Hodro Maji World Cup no neto to Maji. Now Omaya Waji World Cup ne Kasepa Brazil Waji 5. With him say in the year 1958 or 1962, 1970, 1994 and 2002 Brazil Lajinum number 4 no Germany Waji and 9. In the year 1954, Germany J. 1974, Osaji City now. So in the year 1990, Germany J. And at 2014, Osha Argentina 1-0 J. Now Italy so at 9. In the year 1934, the second edition with me, AGC now. So 1938, Italy San J. 1982, and at Germany 2006, Italy SAGC now. So Argentina. Argentinian San no, and in the year 1978, Argentina AJ 1986 OJ, and in the year 2022, Lionel Messi and Rantiano, Esanquaji and Uruguay, Omo Enomo hosted the first edition, Omo Ajimienum, in the year 1930, Omo ye host and win, in the year 1950, Omo SIGC, Omo Naso away, and the free World Cup as well, but Spain, Ajimienum, in the year 2010, Sir Iniesta go now, share no. Omo did the first one at 2026. Omo Sanje BM ama abeye mienu England ajebako na in the year 1966 England etumi eji esi omo na so. Ayenyina we swear na ayemfa the power rankings of the FIFA World Cup and bro after the tournament FIFA are releasing the power rankings of the various categories ababonte the norm and ayepe the top attacker in the year 2026 FIFA World Cup call Edema Kylian Mbappe winning Mbappe the top attacker World Cup nimna oshe 10 goals and what you know points are wonya no 9.11 into attackers no Kylian Mbappe dika Jude Bellingham tosumi no 8.9 points not just Lionel Messi tosumi 8.05 Erling Haaland tosu 7.54 Ousmane Dembele tosu 7.21 and I just say and did so away the attackers list of FIFA at the ababonte now the top creative not just a player or creativity no was or yeah says ultimate dribble bibia mani ye kama eno ekode ma branch and di ede Michael Olise osina kan ede ma France or Bayern Munich no ena wonya 8.28 points anti Michael Olise the top creative with 8.28 points eno senen sama ye de chire ede ma tie for other number 1 Messi etosumienu eno no wonya 8.25 points Kylian Mbappe etosumiensa with 7.63 na eno ena Jeremy Doku enso etoso 7.63 Lamine Yamal was 7.47 away, and the top creatives of FIFA at the Ababontain. Now the top defender Abranti achese o defend ye pa eno ekodema Spain ni Abranti anidi ade Rodri with himself captain Spain Rodri and a FIFA epa on so the top defender. Now the list of top performing defenders all World Cup no Rodri Edikan with 8.23 points na Pau Kubasi Etosimene with 7.59 Pedro Porro was Spain ono 7.58 Aymeric Laporte and so Spain ono so enya 7.13 away added the top defending players of FIFA at the Ababonte so more etimi bo mo homode pa the top goalkeeper na just a defending the goalkeeper just o defending goal ni ye pa eno ekodema Portugal goalkeeper ni di Eddie Diogo Costa wono EGC ni na so na that ranking no so no Diogo Costa dikan with 8.44 na Emiliano Martinez Argentina ono 8.14 na Jordan Pickford England ono 7.85 na just Yassine Bonu 7.79 and also any the free hold by Yedan na no pay e for now the top goalkeeper in possession na just a goalkeeper to me ball ni o to me pass ball ni ye o peja ball na just a co-senior player so eno ekodema England goalkeeper ni di Jordan Pickford ono etimi giano di sini na so eno so sa rank no saying that Jordan Pickford England was 7.92 now Unai Simon was Spain or no 7.88 now just a Roland Williams or so no etiminya 7.22 South Africa in so away any the top performing goalkeepers such as a FIFA at the Ababonte Facebook no Sompa 106.1 FM Techiman Sompa 106.1 FM Techiman YouTube Sompa FM Live Sompa FM Live yenyina we so na yemfa nsem si na nyame yadom chana yebesa tenase na chese ensem no de kamu bia no ye de abromedi ene my G systematic press na no pai ono eno de call Facebook ene YouTube na fe na owo hina tampon ade achie bia otwa so e de amaye